This is 30 Days Spoken MAA Culture and Language Orientation. My name is Teto Oletuzuma. This is video number 1. Welcome to this 30 days, which we are going to have so much fun. I hope you're going to remember this session because this will be the first time that you're going to get real encounter, real connection with your roots and culture. So for video number 1, today we are going to understand and see how you can greet someone, how you can, I don't know, meet someone and be respectful or seem to be joyful or glad that this has happened. So it's important to understand that for the Maasai, it's always the young people who approach the elder for a greeting. And so when you notice a senior, somebody you respect, somebody you look up to, your father, your grandfather, your parent,